Alright, yo, what is up, everybody? This is Gatra, and I'm here to bring you another gameplay of White Noise, and this time we're going to try to get more playtime and find something so that we can actually see the monster before the game trial ends. Let's go. Alright, this lighting is definitely better. What do we have to work with? Obviously not something here, so... Nice running water never hurt anyone. And the trees are appearing out of nowhere, so that's always good. So this obviously looks like something. I hear it. Oh, here it is, Dylan. Yeah. No. But I got a recorder, so let's hope we can get the beast going before the thing ends. So we're just gonna wander apparently off the track. Oh! Oh god, there it is. See that right there? There it is. I was gonna turn around then. What the fuck? Okay, apparently this thing's like Jesus himself, so we're just gonna keep going somewhere back over somewhere. Oh Jesus! Yeah, that worked. Well, alright, well, now that you guys saw the monster and everything, this is a way better gameplay of the last one that we got. As always, subscribe and comment for more videos, and yeah, see ya.